Top 4 finds of Ace Tech Mumbai Part 2. I stumbled upon Ritu Meraki's art store and it's a gold mine. It's all about tradition meeting creativity. And I love this cow and calf piece and a nature-inspired wall art. And trust me, their collection is a fusion of unique, creative and traditional art at its best. Throughout my career as an interior designer, I have encountered countless stunning art pieces. But what truly elevates and preserves these masterpieces are exceptional frames. That is why I highly recommend Frame Bazaar. Their custom photo framing service is a top-notch and the variety were phenomenal. Whether it's abstract, animal or architectural art, they have got you all covered. And the best part, you can get it all done in just 5 minutes. And now, Veneto's Mosaics caught my eye with their eco-friendly and easy-to-install features. Perfect for kitchen backsplashes, these water-resistant and stain-resistant mosaics are not just durable, but it adds an elegant touch to any space. And guess what? They actually glow in the dark, and imagine your space with a magical ambience it can create in your home. Lastly, Blion's glass-reinforced concrete and fiberglass-reinforced polymer products caught my eyes and one of the statement pieces that can elevate your space elevation to a whole new level of luxury. The sheer scale of their art pieces from gazebos to architectural domes and arches was mind-blowing. Be ready for the next set of Ace Tech finds and follow me for more such unique products. Comment your favorite product and I will explore them in detail.